Subaru. WRX STI. Another STI. Look, Mazda. Oh, Honda Civic SI. Sport injected. Look, there's an M4. This is really, really luxurious right here. Oh, look at the green Civic right there. The Z. All over there. But look at this. And check out this one. There's a BMW M4. Okay, yeah. Another Miata. The cool one. Huh? Yeah, it's cool, huh? Say SI. Yeah. Oh, another SI. Sport injected. Look at that one. Look at that BMW. Yeah, you got some.
Sorry, I'm gonna say.
Look at that.
Daddy, I got the Mustang. I got the Mustang, so I think the Mustang parked right next to us.
Yeah.
Ooh. Yeah. How'd you know?
Okay, I told you the red thing.
Look, a little Miata, but it's a cooler one, not the old one. It's fancy inside. They got the VTEC in, man. Oh look, they're all leaving. No. M3. I would trade in my Civic for an M3. I'm gonna trade in. Pop, 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 pop. Whoa. The Viper. Wanna go check it out? Look at the wing. Wow. Oh yeah. Yeah, appreciate it, man. It's all stock though.
Are you airborne? Like you're Army? Are you active right now or no?
No, I just got out.
Oh, I
2021.
just graduated from aerosol.
Oh, aerosol?
Yeah.
Hey, that's what's up, man. Thank you for your service, bro.
Thank you for even the National Guard. Normally MP. So.
Hey, man. Hey,
yeah.
MP.
Yeah.
I heard MPs pull over people going one over.
Well, I'm not in a law enforcement unit.
Oh, okay. Oh, I see.
Yeah.
I see. Yeah, man. How long you been in?
2.5 years in December.
Nice, dude. I just got out. I just did like.
Re-enlist right now.
Re-enlist?
Yeah.
Hey, congrats,
10K,
dude.
10K.
Hell yeah, dudes.
I
I gotta make sure he's right next to me. Yeah, man, dude. You know what's crazy, bro? I only did like almost 5.5 years.
I signed a 3-year and I'm already almost out.
Nice, dude. Nice. There you go, G-Wagon.
I do like the car.
Dude, I love it.
Yeah,
I wasn't even into BMWs, and I was like, okay, man, you know what? It's Supra. And I tried. I'm in love.
Yeah.
I was depressed when I had to take it in for a warranty because the seatbelt stopped working. The spring broke. Yeah, so I had to take it in for warranty for 3 days. They didn't have my parts. Yeah, I just got this last year.
It's fun.
It's so fun, dude. I made so much memories with it. Love it, dude.
How much did you get it for?
More than you can afford, pal.
I got it in Fremont. So, 2026. Yeah.
I used to not like Subarus. Like when he first got his, I used to make fun of him because I'm a Nissan guy.
Oh, hell yeah, dude.
And I got this for $2,000.
Oh, dang.
Yeah.